Hey, Peedy, how's the catch? Oh, not much. Let's do an animation competition, shall we? I accept. Alright then. Can you progress like me? I can do that too. Watch this. Hey, why is it not working? It looks like I win. 1 point for me. Can you do a search animation like me? Ah. Would you look at that? I did the same thing like you did. Ah! Are you kidding me? Can you do an announce animation? God damn it! My announcing animation is missing. Ah! Is that I won again? Well, guess what? I can blow kisses. Watch this. The hell, Mumsy? You're cringe as hell. Stop it. If you don't stop, then I will beat you up. That's it. You asked for it.